Now let us understand what is the true meaning of divine intent. Our souls are a unique manifestation of the Creator itself. And in order to recognize the wisdom, the true potential of being the Creator itself, our souls undergo through so many lifetimes, some of which may not be very happy, many of which would also be difficult. And as we start to unearth our past lives, unearth our childhood wounds and experiences, unearth the various experiences that are given to us by social media, society, ancestors, foreign energies, and so on and so forth, each of those experiences have a divine intent that our soul recognizes. The higher wisdom of the Akashic records holds the wisdom of the divine intent. And therefore, when we start to unearth the experiences in order to heal ourselves, we also need to understand the divine intent of that experience. How is that experience truly serving my soul in order to become more evolved and accelerate its spiritual development? When we are able to imbibe the true understanding of this situation, the blame on self or on others starts to dissipate. It starts to disappear. And eventually, this brings along with itself a lot of grace, forgiveness, compassion, and kindness. Not only for ourselves but also for others, because the blame no longer exists. We recognize that each element, each member of the story who has participated in that interaction had an intent, a divine intent, and each of those contributed towards my spiritual journey. And as a part of my soul contract, I was the one who was responsible. The moment that I shift that responsibility on myself, I let go of blame and I invite the wisdom, the divine intent of that situation to surface by connecting through the Akashic records. Each of these experiences in and of itself is elevating for the soul. Remember how we have learnt about the scale of consciousness. It is also there in the book that we have, Tracking the Code of Akashic Records. If you haven't really gone through the book, I highly, highly encourage you to go through it, which clarifies a lot of these concepts and allows you to undergo a consciousness detox in a step-by-step manner, so that you are more aware and open to all that you are learning as a spiritual being having human experience.